Good morning, good morning, good morning. Ain't no others good mornings.
Good morning.
So it's been.
Don't forget me and me. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. It's been a rough morning, guys. It has been a very rough morning. So the weather yesterday said no rain for 3 days, and if y'all seen my keeping it real yesterday, I am in the middle of taking everything out of the storage shed and the tiny house to reorganize and to get set up to be able to start building walls and stuff like that in the loft area and the tiny house. So we took everything out. Everything was in the yard, as far as tools and stuff like that, out of the main storage shed yesterday. And I checked the weather yesterday evening just to make sure it wasn't going to rain, and it said no rain for 3 days. Well, that was a lie.
There's actually a lie.
I woke up this morning to thunder and walked outside, and literally it started sprinkling. So it was a mad dash to get all the big ticket items out of the rain. I was able to get like the chop saw, the table saw, the planer, skill saws, stuff like that out. But all of my other stuff, guys, literally sat there and got poured on for 3 hours.
But guys, whenever it starts raining, God is actually good.
Yeah. And
I think God got upset and they lied because God got upset by something.
so basically, me and Adeline here went to Walmart this morning and got a whole bunch of storage stuff and shelving to be able to put in the new shed that got put up. Well, really the old one, because all the shelving in the new shed I moved over from the old shelter when we pulled everything out. So went and got a bunch more shelving, some more storage bins, stuff like that, to be able to try to get my life a little bit more organized before Hazel and the kids get up here, because they'll be bringing stuff as well. And with all these big projects about to start, I need to know what all I have and what I don't have, because I'm tired of buying everything 3 times when I know that I have it somewhere. But it is definitely unfortunate that a lot of my stuff got soaked. Yeah, it caught me off guard. My plan was, we worked on it all day yesterday, and then the plan was to finish it up today because there was supposed to be no rain in the forecast. Well, it flooded. And when I say flooded, I mean flooded. It wasn't like a light sprinkle. It's soaked. So, gonna have to deal with that today.
But then first we went to McDonald's so we could fill up.
Yeah, we went to McDonald's this morning. Got Miss Adeline a Happy Meal.
I got some chicken nuggets and french fries.
You gotta speak up, they can't hear you, baby.
And I got some chicken nuggets and french fries.
Yeah, she got some chicken nuggets this morning. And I got a 1/4 pounder, I believe. And some fries. Levi wanted to stay. He's working on editing a video. So that's good that he got a chance to do that. But it's supposed to not rain for the rest of the day. It's noon now. So hopefully I can get all of this stuff completed by this evening. Levi's got a live tonight on Life with Levi. We're probably going to set it up out there by where we're working, and he'll do his live and I'll just continue working, because it is the top priority to get all of this stuff out of the yard now, being that I can't trust the weather.
But what's really funny is when we went to McDonald's, the orders kept on getting mixed up.
Yeah, the orders did get messed up at McDonald's, but they got it right. They fixed it.
The last try they finally got it.
Yep, the last try they finally fixed it.
But what happened is, I never knew this. The first, he got 1 million burgers. He got burgers, 1 million.
1 million burgers?
Yes.
What happened was they tried to give me somebody else's order to start with. It was one of those big value pack things. And I was like, oh no, that ain't me.
With a Happy Meal.
With a Happy Meal. Then they brought what was supposed to be my order, but the burger was wrong. And then the third time, they finally got it right. So,
Yep.
it's just been one of those days, guys. One of those days. But I'm not going to let it break my spirits. We're going to keep on keeping on. And if I would have known that it was going to rain this morning, then I probably would have canceled my live last night. And also, we wouldn't have went to the lake for the hour that we did to cool off at the end of the day. The reason why I made that decision to do that, because I looked at the weather right beforehand, and they said it was supposed to be clear skies for the next couple of days. But it is what it is. I believe I got all of the stuff that could be completely destroyed out of the rain. Hopefully. I'm sure I'm going to find some stuff that I wasn't anticipating that's in some of the bins and stuff. So it is what it is. Man, what a morning. There's nothing like getting straight up out of bed, guys. And I mean straight out of bed. I ain't even brushed my teeth or nothing. Literally got out of bed, walked outside, and 10 minutes later was literally soaking wet from moving tools and all that other stuff. So that's not a fun way to start your day, I'll tell you that.
No.
But it could be worse. I could have not woke up and slept through it, and everything out there would have got rained on. Like that very expensive DeWalt table saw and my chop saw and all that other stuff. So
I woke up to my alarm.
you woke up to your alarm.
I didn't even say, I don't know. My alarm was like, wake up, Frankie.
The crazy thing is these guys right here are only here for 13 more days. They've already been here for 11 days. I cannot believe time is flying as fast as it is.
I don't want to leave Serenity.
You don't want to leave Serenity? Well, how about Papa?
I don't want to leave you either. I just really don't want to leave my best friend. I've never Oh, and do not say nothing about Brooklyn. No, God, don't say nothing. Because
You're crazy.
Brinley over here now he knows, and now I know who she learned it from. She learned how to stick. Now I'm mad because she does it to me now. And now
Well, that's not good. You both shouldn't do that.
I don't even do it.
It is a beautiful day though, guys. Let me show you some views. The windshield should be a little bit cleaner with all the rain that we've been getting for y'all.
Yeah.
Maybe y'all can get some mountain views here in a minute.
Yep.
Yeah, it's crazy. Just an hour ago it was downpouring, and now it just looks all nice and like it's just a normal day.
I see a mountain with smoke.
That's fog on top of the mountain. Yep, but it's been one of those days, guys. One of those. I am going to try to edit a video tonight if I have time and I'm not completely exhausted, to get out tomorrow on the main channel. Come on, homesteading. We'll see if that works out.
I will tell y'all what I spy right now. Click the subscribe button, turn on notifications, give this a huge thumbs up. That's what I spy.
That's my personal promoter back there, guys. She will definitely let you know to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And she'll give you a big old heart for doing so. It's really cute. Yeah, but I'm going to try to edit a video and get it out tomorrow on the main channel. Sorry about the keeping it real that was late last night. We was working our booyakakas off and then went to the lake, and that's where I filmed it. And then I had to go live as soon as I got back home there, so I didn't get a chance to get it out until late, which made it where a lot of you guys didn't get to see it. So if you want to go back and watch that one, definitely go back and check it out. There's some beautiful views there. And seeing the kiddos play and everything, so it's a good time.
We love y'all. I have a box.
But I think this is going to be a short one, guys. We are on the way home. And when we get home, we got to get straight at it. But love every single one of y'all. Do something nice for somebody today. We are making our way through the week.
Don't forget.
And maybe tomorrow I'll give y'all a little sneak peek at what we've been up to, and let y'all know exactly how big of a loss today was with all of that rain. So until we see each other again, guys, come on, keep it real.
And don't forget to love everyone.
Absolutely.
And don't forget.
All right, guys.